y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We are going to be doing the September 2019 Bliss box unboxing. Now, I purchased the Halloween box. You could choose from 2 boxes this month. One was a Halloween box, the other one was the fall box. But I love Halloween, so I couldn't resist getting the Halloween box. Now remember, these are $55 plus tax and shipping if you are not local. And the cool thing about this is there's a lot of really neat, unique items that are in these boxes that aren't available at any other times at Baubles and Bliss. I do have an affiliate link down in the description, so if you purchase from it, it just helps me be able to purchase more items from them. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm opening up the box, and the first thing I see on top is this super cute kitty cat pin. And it is tied around this little black Halloween bag. So I'm not sure, I'm not opening up the card that tells you all what's in here yet. And that has some little candy goodies in here, which will be great to give to my kiddos because I am trying to lose weight. But look at that pin, how adorable. Okay, so the next thing I see is this little leopard bag or tissue paper. Oh, look at these earrings. There are some Halloween leather earrings. Look how adorable those are. I absolutely love those. We're gonna remove the card and remove some more tissue paper. Now we have our Halloween shirt, which is a screen printed Bella and canvas. This is in the deep heather. And look at that design, how adorable. It says love, and it's got the ghost and the L, the candy corn, and the V. The O is a pumpkin, and then the E is like a black cat purple pattern. Super duper cute. Next, we have a tumbler. Oh, that's cute. Like, it's a candy corn coffee cup. Perfect for all of this month. Next, let's open this up. Ooh, we got some spider socks. Look how cute those are. Purple and black. You know I'm all for the Halloween. Now let's open up this one. Oh, awesome. So I got a Halloween sugar stack. So it's a full set of bracelets with one that has a pumpkin on it. Some have tassels. This one has a ghost. Those are super duper cute. I cannot wait to wear those. And then we have one last little item. Let's open this up. Oh, how cute. It is a witch's brew. Is this a bath bomb? Yes, it's a bath bomb, and then it has little, like, extra bath salts in the center, and it is in a witch's cauldron. Look how cute that is, and I love bath bombs. And it smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Now, let me know down below what was your favorite item in this box. Also, don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my main channel, which is just Cuttin Corners Vinyl. I do all things craft over there. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.